Data breaches happen every day, exposing millions of personal accounts. Our email and password breach checkers, available on our website, help people to check if their information been compromised in data breaches. When your credentials are leaked, they can be used by cyber criminals to access your personal or business accounts. Your email and password might already be exposed without you even knowing. At LoughTec, we've made it easy to check if your email has been part of a data breach. Simply enter your email on our website and instantly see how many breaches it has been involved in. Knowing if your email has been compromised is the first step in securing your data. It is important to check if your email address has been breached, as hackers can use leaked emails to access accounts, send phishing scams, and steal your identity. With our password checker, type in a password you use, and our system will check if it has been leaked in past breaches. If it has, update it with a strong, unique password. Using a compromised password makes it easy for hackers to access your accounts. If your password has been exposed, you should change it immediately. If you find out that your email or password has been breached, take action immediately. Ensure that you change your passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and use a password manager for extra security. Protecting your online presence is essential. By using LoughTec's breach checking tools, you can quickly take action to secure your email and passwords before they're exploited.